So hello guys, quickly in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. Okay, so as you can see here, I have some Solana here. Okay, let me click on it. Okay, so here you can see I have some Solana here, right? So here I'm going to be withdrawing this Solana that I have here to my Binance account. So I'm going to click on send here. Okay, so if I click on send here, it's going to ask me for the Solana wallet address that I want to send it to. Okay, so I'm just going to go to Binance and copy my Solana wallet address. Okay, so let me go to Binance. Here on Binance, I'm just going to click on deposit here. Okay, remember I want to deposit the Solana, the Sol from Phantom Wallet. So here I'm going to type in Sol. Okay, so I'm going to type in Sol. So here is Solana. I'm going to click on Solana here. Then it's going to ask me for the chain that I want to use. I'm going to choose Solana here because I want to send it through Solana. So here I'm going to click on it to copy it. Okay. So you see what it says? It says, please note that Sol addresses are case sensitive. Okay. So you don't need to type it out one after the other. Just copy it here. Okay. So I'm going to click on copy here. Okay. Then as soon as I copy, then I'm going to go back to Solana here. Okay. So here on Solana, I'm just going to paste the wallet address up here. Okay. I can see automatically it has even copied to clipboard for me already. So I'm just going to click on it. Okay. So if you want to confirm it to be sure that you know what you're doing, you can just check the first 3 letters and the last 3 letters here. So you can see 9GJ. Okay. Okay, so you can see it's giving me a precaution that I've not interacted with this address before. Okay, it's good that they show you this. Okay, but for you to be very, very sure of what you are doing, you can just go back to your Binance and confirm. Just look at the first 3 letters, which is 9GJ, and the last 3 which is VZ3. Okay, so you come here, you check, you can see 9GJ, then you can see VZ3. Okay, which is the right Solana address, okay, from Binance. Then just going to go ahead and click on next. Okay, when you click on next, then here you're going to put in the amount of Solana that you want to transfer. You're going to put it here, but if you want to send everything, then you're just going to come down here and click on max. Okay, so in my own case, I want to send out everything. That is the reason why I click on max. Okay, the next thing you're just going to do is to click on next here. Okay, when you click on next, okay, it's going to bring you here. Okay, then here you're just going to confirm everything that you want to do. Okay, just confirm it. Then you're just going to go down here and click on send. Okay, so when you click on send, automatically it's going to help you to send the token. Okay, so you can see automatically it's been sent. So let's just go to Binance now and see. As soon as we receive it here on Binance, I have to show you guys, but presently you can see I have just my $8 here. Okay, so as soon as that one comes in, I'm going to be showing you guys also. Okay, so guys, I just received the Solana in my wallet. So let me quickly show you guys where it is in my wallet here. Okay, let me go down here and show you. So you can see it here. You can see this is the Solana I sent and I just received it in my wallet. Okay, so you can see the process is very straightforward and simple. So make sure you follow this process so that you'll be able to send your Solana from your Phantom wallet to your Binance account. Okay, if you got value, guys, don't forget to like this video and also please subscribe to the channel if it's not done that before now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care of yourself and bye bye for now.